The butterfly pea flower, with its vibrant blue petals, is a sight to behold. Native to Southeast Asia, this flower thrives in tropical climates. Its tendrils climb, reaching for the sun, and unfurl these stunning blossoms. For centuries, the butterfly pea has been more than just a beautiful face. In Thailand, this flower, known as anchan, holds a special place in traditional ceremonies. Its vibrant hue symbolizes the heavens and is often used in religious offerings. Vietnamese culture weaves the butterfly pea into its culinary traditions. Across the region, the flower has been used for generations in herbal remedies. From soothing anxieties to enhancing cognitive function, the butterfly pea holds a prominent place in traditional medicine. Its versatility extends beyond teas and tinctures, finding its way into culinary creations that tantalize both the eyes and the palate. The butterfly pea flower's beauty is more than skin deep. Within its delicate petals lies a wealth of health benefits. Rich in antioxidants, this flower combats free radicals, promoting overall well-being. Traditional medicine has long recognized these benefits. In Thailand, butterfly pea tea is a popular remedy for stress and anxiety. Its calming properties help soothe the mind, promoting relaxation. Vietnamese healers have utilized the flower's anti-inflammatory properties to address skin conditions and alleviate pain. Indian Ayurveda incorporates the butterfly pea flower into its holistic practices, valuing its ability to enhance memory and boost cognitive function. Whether enjoyed as a tea, infused in oils, or incorporated into culinary dishes, the butterfly pea flower offers a holistic approach to health and wellness. One of the most captivating aspects of the butterfly pea flower is its magical color-changing properties. Steeped in hot water, the petals release a vibrant blue hue that transforms before your eyes. Add a squeeze of lemon juice and watch as the blue morphs into a captivating shade of purple. This mesmerizing transformation is due to the presence of anthocyanins, water-soluble pigments that react to changes in pH levels. The acidic nature of lemon juice lowers the pH of the tea, causing the anthocyanins to shift from blue to purple. This color-changing phenomenon has made butterfly pea tea a popular choice for modern mixologists. Its ability to transform cocktails and mocktails into vibrant works of art is captivating. From layered drinks to color-changing concoctions, the butterfly pea flower adds a touch of magic to the culinary world. Brewing your own butterfly pea tea is a simple and rewarding experience. Start by steeping a handful of dried butterfly pea flowers in hot water for 5 to 7 minutes. The water will transform into a vibrant blue hue as the petals release their natural color and flavor. Strain the tea into your favorite cup and add a touch of honey or agave nectar for sweetness if desired. For a touch of magic, add a squeeze of lemon juice and watch as the tea transforms from blue to purple before your very eyes. Beyond tea, the butterfly pea flower can be used as a natural food coloring. Its vibrant hue adds a touch of whimsy to desserts, noodles, and rice dishes. Embrace the versatility of this magical flower and explore its many uses in your kitchen.